Aside from not earning much, farmers also have to contend with expenses that eventually pile up and often bind them to a life of debt. Fortunately, the government has a condonation program that will free them from these shackles and ultimately help them reap more from the bounty of their back-breaking work. Kenneth Paciente has more.
Ricardo has to pay the government 295,000 pesos for the 1.5 hectares of land he leases for farming. He admits it is a huge burden to pay.
Mabigat sa pamumuhay namin na yearly ay nagbabayad kami sa land bank dahil kukunti naman ang kinikita namin doon sa lupa na yon. Kaya hirap po kami dati.
This problem of Ricardo and other farmers has finally been addressed by the government. Today, the President spearheaded the distribution of agrarian debt condonation certificates for agrarian reform beneficiaries started in the Ilocos region. This means the debts of people like Ricardo have been wiped out. This was made possible by the new Agrarian Emancipation Act signed into law by the President in his first year in office. In total, more than 4,000 condonation certificates for over 3,000 agrarian reform beneficiaries have been distributed. This amounts to more than 50.5 million pesos worth of condoned debts.
Ang mga certificate na ito ay simbolo ng katuparan ng ating pangako na buburahin natin ang pagkakautang ng ating mga agrarian reform beneficiaries dito sa Region 1. Ang pamamahagi ngayong araw ng mga condonation na ito ay isang mahalagang hakbang, pasulong sa ating paglalakbay tungo sa hustisyang agraryo.
Wala na kaming iniisip na babayaran. Saka wala na kaming babayaran yearly. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat sa mahal nating Pangulo.
In addition to Region 1, the President said the government will provide similar help to the neighboring Cordillera Administrative Region.
Ibabahagay din natin ang mahigit 70,000 na condonation din na magpapalaya sa ating mga agrarian reform beneficiary mula sa mahigit 3 bilyon piso na utang.
The President also led the distribution of financial assistance under the Presidential Assistance to Farmers, Fisherfolk and their Families or PAF program. Around 18,000 beneficiaries in Region 1 received 10,000 pesos each. In total, the government gave 180 million pesos to the provinces of the region. There were also farm machinery and equipment from the Department of Agriculture and BFAR, as well as help from the other government agencies like Doles Tupad, DSWD's AKAP, among others.
Ayon sa aming datos, umabot sa mahigit 559 na milyong piso ang naging pinsala sa buong Region 1, kasama na ang Pangasinan, kung saan halos 20,000 magsasaka at mangingisda ang naapektuhan. Pumarito po kami upang maghandog ng konting tulong na magpapagaan sa hinaharap ninyong mga hamon.
Mayroon na kaming pambili ng fingerlings at least matustusan yung pambili namin ng fingerlings, yung ano na lang, yung mga feeds na lang siguro yung ipiprovide namin.
This is the last leg of the PAF program after the President visited Mindanao, Visayas and Luzon to assist the sectors hit hard by El Nino. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.